To ask someone if you should or ought to, you say, Am buchar go an doras a glasig? Should I lock the door? Am buchar go an doras a glasig? Am buchar go an doras a glasig?
Buchar. Yes, you should. Buchar. Buchar.
Am buchar gut a vi ek dopper? Should you be at your work?
Cha buchar. No, I shouldn't. Cha buchar. Cha buchar.
En buchar ga dodges a glasig.
Buchar, bishing it fallava son grush.
Hallo, Wadi. Tjetal.
Chanel Moran.
En buchar goed de week doppen in draaste.
Ga buchar, hawa jij hakem.
Ga buchar goed de station.
Kasan.
Hai, kunnaste.
In the first scene, the woman said, Buchar, bishin your falav is on grush. Yes, we'll be away for a while.
In the last scene, the reason given was Hai kunnerstach. It's dangerous. Kunnerstach. Kunnerstach.
To ask if a male should or ought to, you say, Am buchar ga? Am buchar ga? Am buchar ga a vicho fashk a vur? Should he be so close to the sea?
Shaul Seamus. En buchar ga vi ga fast er vuur.
Ga buchar, a hamish, how roashke the wood, throw the shaw.
Ha me chain.
To ask if a female should or ought to, you say Am buchar ye. Am buchar ye. Am buchar ye a golamach gan shachkat savali. Should she go out without a life jacket?
Vil we felking aan. En buchar gi go amach gan seach gach sav.
Ga buchar.
Anna, throw the shaw minute.
To say you had better do something, you say, Shargo. Shargo. Shargo a gol gachi inish. I'd better go home now.
To tell someone else they'd better do something, you say Shargut. Shargut. Shargut furach faravelu. You'd better stay where you are.
The polite or plural form is Shargiv. Shargiv. Shargiv a golagain kutjechig. You'd better go and get help.
Shargo gol gachi inish.
Ach, fudich grushele.
Ga norin go. Bin Gina raken jeshal. Fame mi falaf.
Oh, my helm.
Sher goed voedach van de velo. Ga buchar goed gloset.
Sjarge we al een kutje.
Sher.
To confirm that you'd better, you say Shar. Yes, I'd better.
If you have to report that someone was hurt or injured, you say, Chai, whoever it was, a goshtjechig. Chai strichbeter a goshtjechig. A climber was injured. Chai strichbeter a goshtjechig. Chai strichbeter a goshtjechig.
The following reports are similar to what might be heard on Radio and Gael's news programmes. A couple of place names are mentioned. Achullion, the Cullen Hills, and Antá-Lehon, Broadford in Skye.
As je vergeestjach kri, reden en geil. Ha miel la. Shell Michael Donalach a inarnish lish na neachkan. Gai streech bete de garstachug am se Julian, am se wetting en Jew. Gai a horst gaan hospital, am se na lehin. Va jish illa college a ha ietsen kerst geleard.
To tell that someone was rescued, you say, Chai, whoever it was, a havalug. Chai boranach a havalug. A woman was rescued. Chai boranach a havalug. Chai boranach a havalug.
Va Chinya an the flat is straat gunnig an an nish roiz. Gai fide noch a havalug lish a loch smali, agus gai boja noch agus jish chlonya a horst gaan hospital.
The street was Sraj Chanig, Kenneth Street. And Loch Smalley, the fire brigade.
In the roundup, 4 people out hill walking are caught in bad weather.
Kaatje Bilsje, je weirat.
Gaan je lissakum, behaal gun je weer voedag ik een duig.
Bachos gatjarav. Ha she wavasach.
Sjouw Emily, Jack Harrer.
Gaan je lissakum, trouw het. Je keer, Emily.
Gorst is me mochas. Ga nooit go kosher.
At the has a kayat donna. Share go again kutjachug.
Shad ham is menyachu.
Now the recap, which covers some of the key points from units 37 to 45, the previous 9 units. Use the familiar forms of address. Will we go to a play? An chéitsin go dealamh chluich. An chéitsin go dealamh chluich.
Where can I get a train to Edinburgh? Cáitim fai mi train go Dunedin? Or Cáitim fai mi train a Dunedin? Cáitim fai mi train go Dunedin? Or Cáitim fai mi train a Dunedin?
Which one do you prefer? J an fer a Charlotte or J an che a Charlotte? J an fer a Charlotte or J an che a Charlotte? That's better. Hashin na shar. Hashin na shar.
That's worse. Hashin na smissa. Hashin na smissa.
I agree with you. Ha mi a dol lecht? Ha mi a dol lecht?
I'm enjoying this. Ha seo a cóiste room. has seo a cóiste grúm. I'd like to go fishing. Butalum a gal a dhiescach. Butalum a gal a dhiescach.
Should I lock the door? Am bachor go an doras a glasag. Am bachor go an doras a glasag.
Yes. Buchor. Buchor.
No. Chapachor. Chapachor.